Hey, welcome back to Thrive Further. Myself, Narendra Veeradimma. In today's video, I'll be talking about EI, Employment Insurance, and CERB, Canada Emergency Response Benefits, and CRA Account, and their eligibility, and other government benefits. As my viewers know, I'll be making videos on two important things in life. One is learnings, and the other one is implementation. How we learn anything. Either we read a book or we listen to someone. In this Thrive Further channel, I'll discuss and recommend best self-help books that we need to read and best mentors and YouTubers to follow in life in each and every category. Once we have all these learnings, we need to implement all this knowledge into a productive way. For that, I'll be sharing my 500 plus online tools and passive income ideas. These online tools and ideas will be useful to professionals and creators like you and me. Apart from that, I'll be creating videos on Canada vlogs, better living ideas, further motivation, further health and fitness, and further how-tos and guiding videos like this one. By having all these four, learning, implementation, further motivation, further fitness and health, success will come to your doorstep. You just need to open your door and invite. That's being said, if you are new here, please do subscribe and click that bell icon so that whenever I publish a new video, you will get an immediate notification. And thank you so much for the overwhelming response for my previous video on how to apply for employment insurance in Canada step-by-step process. If you did not watch that particular video, please do check the link here. Otherwise, I'll leave it in the description below. So without any further delay, let's discuss about today's topic. So let's talk about CERB overview. It's a new benefit plan that Canadian government has introduced to support Canadians and people who are suffering due to this COVID-19 pandemic. It provides a payment of $2,000 for a 4-week period equivalent to $500 a week up to 16 weeks. So who can apply for this program? The CRB will be available to workers residing in Canada who are at least 15 years old, who have stopped working because of COVID-19, are eligible for employment insurance or sickness benefits, who had income of at least $5,000 in 2019 or in the 12 months prior to the date of their application, and who are expected to be without employment or self-employment income for at least 14 consecutive days in the initial 4-week period. And to be noted, the income of $5,000 may be from any or combination of the following sources: employment, self-employment, or maternity and parental benefits under employment insurance program. These benefits is only available to individuals who stopped work and are not earning employment or self-employment income as a result of reasons related to COVID-19. If you have not stopped work because of COVID-19, then you are not eligible to apply under this CERB. So that's being said, like how we need to apply. Applications for the CERB will begin the week of April 2020. So there are two ways to apply: online with CRA My Account, over the phone with an automated phone service. If you are applying online or on phone, your payment will be delivered by direct deposit or by check, and they have given some particular days to apply for the CERB benefits. So determine the best day of the week to apply once the system is available. Whether you apply online or by phone, we want to provide the best service possible to everyone. To help manage this, we have set up specific days for you to apply. Please use the following guidelines. Go through these particular dates and apply according to the dates they have mentioned. Whether you apply online or by phone, they want to give the best possible service to everyone. That's the reason they have given some guidelines, particular dates in a week that you need to apply for CERB. Please go through these guided dates that you need to apply for this CERB benefits. If you are eligible for CERB, you can expect $2,000, that is $500 per week for a 4-week period. It is single payment for a 4-week period. If your situation continues, you can reapply for a payment for multiple 4 weeks period to a maximum of 16 weeks, that is 4 periods. And to be noted, these benefits are taxable and you will need to report any payments received on next year's tax filings. To understand these payment periods, each payment of the Canada Emergency Response Benefit covers a 4-week period beginning March 15, 2020. When you apply, it is for a single payment for the 4-week period. If your situation continues, you can apply for an additional 4-week period up to maximum of 16 weeks. So under the CERB, they have 2 different payment methods. So one is direct deposit and other one is by check. And when we can expect the payments? If it is through direct deposit, expect your payments within 3 business days from the date you submitted your application. And if it is through check, it will take 10 business days to get your payment. And there is one thing we need to note here, and if your situation continues, you will need to apply and confirm your eligibility for Canada Emergency Response Benefit every 4 weeks to a maximum of 16 weeks if your situation continues. So there are some common scenarios between EI and CERB. If you qualify for EI and you're receiving payments under EI, you're not eligible to under CERB. You have applied for EI but application is not yet been processed, it will be automatically considered under CERB benefits. You have not applied for EI, yet you can apply through EI or you can wait for CERB portal to be open. If you are not eligible for EI, you can apply under CERB benefits. So let's talk about self-employed. If you are a self-employed person and your earnings are more than 5,000 in the last 12 months of period and you have no money received in the 14 consecutive days, then you are eligible under the CERB benefits. If you had a reduction in your income, you are not eligible under the CERB benefits. So coming back to students, no income for last 14 days for reasons related to COVID-19 and earned $5,000 in the last 12 months of time. So you are eligible under this CERB. So if you are a student who had a job last year and were planning on working this summer, you do not qualify for this benefit. And let's talk about some other government benefits. Student loan payments are frozen for 6 months. No interest applied during this frozen period. Extended tax deadlines from April 30th to June 1st. And mortgage deferral, credit card deferral, RRIF minimum withdrawals. And there is an increase in the CCB, Canada Child Benefit, that will be affecting on from May, and GST credit increase. For more detailed and updated information, please keep on watching the news, because these information and policies are dynamically changing. Look for the information links in the description below. I hope I have covered all the necessary information. If you have any doubts, please do comment them. I'll try my best to answer each and every comment. And a big shout out to health heroes. They are serving the humanity while we are in quarantine. Thanks to Canadian government for these quick emergency benefit plans to support Canadians, immigrants and international students. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates. I'll see you in next video. Until then, keep thriving further.